It's such a great time to be alive. Let's try to make most out of it by tonight. तो जैसे कि तुम देख ही रहे हो, तबीयत कुछ खास ठीक नहीं है. Well, it's not COVID, so chill, but I'm getting chills right now. Well, so that's pretty much a good solid excuse for missing the vlog that I should have been uploaded on Saturday and Monday. बट नहीं भाई, सीरियसली तबीयत का सीन थोड़ा ऑफ चल रहा है. एंड स्पीकिंग ऑफ सीन ऑफ, मेरे पापा आए हुए थे, सो व्लॉगिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम एंड एडिटिंग दैट शिट वुड हैव बीन अ ह्यूज कोलोसियल मिस्टेक which I skillfully avoided by not posting on the days when I should have actually posted. So yeah, kudos to me for that. So like I said, पापा आए हुए थे, so I could not vlog, and that's the bad news. But there's also a good news, or shall I say a few good news, which I will not reveal in this video. भाई next video की भी तो idea चाहिए ना, तो I will be discussing a lot of things that is happening in my life in the next video. That's gonna be a bombshell. So stay tuned for that. And now let's end this series. ब्रेसिंग बीरभूम के आखिरी एपिसोड पे आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत है. So yeah, we'll start from the place where we ended. Masanjor, hell of an amazing place. Yeah, see, no matter how much ever I say that me and my dad, we don't get along together regarding the decision that I should be taking with my career, but I gotta say, he is the smartest person that I have ever known till date. And he is a pure conversationalist when he is in the mood of talking things apart from studies and career. And next day at Masanjor was one such day. So next day we went for our morning walk together. And oh my god, you name a topic and we did talk about it. It was such a fun experience talking about love, life, philosophy, spirituality and God with that. Damn. Also, meet our new friend. Well, see, I don't get along with dogs pretty well, but this sweetheart was an exception. After that, we had some hillside tea. और उसके बाद भाई ये देखो है ना, चिट्टे चिट्टे যেরকম করে চিটে চিটে খাওয়া হচ্ছিল. Then we left from Masanjor for Bokleshwar. Bokleshwar, that is a very interesting place. That is gonna interest you for sure. आगे आगे देखो क्या सीन है सब. देखो, गाइड मोड जो इज एट योर सर्विस, सो टेंशन की कोई बात नहीं है. आई विल मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. सो दिस इज द एरिया फॉर बेथिंग. वेल, द वाटर हियर इज वार्म 365 days of the year. People consider it to be holy for some reasons, जिसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करने वाले हैं. So now see, like you saw there, the water there wasn't hygienic at all. बेसिकली ये बात है कि लॉकडाउन चल रहा था, सो द प्लेस वॉज कम्प्लीटली शट, सो पीपल डिड नॉट मेक एनी एफर्ट टू क्लीन दैट मेस अप, बिकॉज भाई इधर सब कुछ बिजनेस के टर्म्स पे चलता है. आई मीन रिलीजियन एंड स्टाफ्स एंड गॉड, एवरीथिंग इज सोल्ड राइट हियर. सो या उसके बारे में बात अगर ना ही करें तो बेटर है. आई मीन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस ऑलरेडी, बट या भाई केस मत ठोक देना. ऑल आई एम सेइंग इज दैट द प्लेस कुड हैव बीन अ बिट क्लीनर. ऑल्सो अभी थोड़ा फ्लेक्स करने वाला हूँ, सो छोड़ के मत चले जाना. The point is that place was closed for general public, but we had a few powers in the form of some cards, so we showed them and we got the VIP access to actually visit that place, which was actually closed at that time. So we cannot say anything because that was closed for public. So when that would have been open for the public, for the general people, then probably at that time they could have cleaned that area. I don't know, man. I don't know how this system works. But here's the fun thing. The water that you are seeing was actually warm. I touched it. You can call me gross for that, but yeah, man. We went all the way from Kolkata to visit that place, not just to see. भाई एक बार के लिए तसल्ली के लिए हाथ डालना जरूरी था, पर हाँ घिन आ रहा था, बट ठीक है चलो. बट नाउ द पॉइंट इज आई कैनॉट मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वाटर वॉज वार्म, क्योंकि कैमरा है भाई, चमड़ा नहीं है. यू कैनॉट फील. So to make you feel, I did cross some boundaries. I actually climbed up the fence and then took some shots. देखो, for you. देखो, the water right there is actually boiling and it's completely natural. There has been no artificial effort need to make it look like this. It's completely natural. तो अब सीन को समझो पहले. The water there is boiling, which is not something you naturally see. So people declared it holy, sacred and stuff like that. And add to it, this water actually helps you with some skin disease and stuff. So भाई ये चीज blessed है. People took it to be the holiest thing ever. Not that I am just over exaggerating, but you can get what I'm trying to say. And then people have started to visit this place, make money out of it, and started to idealize it as something godly thing. So yeah, I'll try to decipher it with science. See, I'm not saying whatever I'm going to say right now is gonna be absolutely correct. This is just my take on it to rationally decipher what's happening in Bokkeshwar. So इस चीज को समझने के पहले तुम हॉट स्प्रिंग के साइंस को समझो. हॉट स्प्रिंग के वाटर हमेशा गर्म होते हैं. सो दिस बेसिकली मीन्स कि ग्राउंड के थोड़ा ही नीचे जो रॉक्स है दे आर एट हायर टेम्परेचर, क्योंकि ग्राउंड वाटर नीचे से आ रहा है एंड इट इज गेटिंग वार्मर because it is passing through warmer rocks, and rocks are warmer, which means that they are somewhat in contact with lava which is very proximal to it. थोड़ा confusing sound हो सकता है, but that is the thing. So we can just say, I don't know, I haven't read any article about it online yet, कि Bokkeshwar area is a volcanic zone where eruption might take place in sometimes, I don't know. We can just assume that because भाई हॉट स्प्रिंग का जो नॉर्मल सा सीन रहता है, they occur at some volcanic eruption prone areas. जापान बहुत ही फेमस है इसके लिए, and then there are many other places like that. So पानी का गर्म होने का साइंस तो यही मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि maybe it is closer to some sort of lava down under. कितना क्लोज है उसके बारे में मुझे नहीं पता. And then speaking of the healing properties of the water, भाई कुछ भी हो सकता है. I'm just assuming there are minerals like sodium, potassium, calcium and many radioactive elements might be present there because like I said it is closer to some lava of sorts, so radioactive elements भी हो सकता है पानी में. So I don't know, maybe those radioactive elements somewhat help cure the skin diseases or something like that. It's got some medicinal values maybe. So if we go by the words of science, then this is all natural and this is all possible. Yes, we don't see it at frequent places because by every place is not prone to eruptions, so chill होता है शायद से. See, whatever I said might totally be a farce. So अगर वो हुआ कभी भी तो मुझे you can treat me like a joke. गालियां कमेंट में बक देना. और अगर कभी शायद से ठीक हो भी जाए तो you know who to thank. Science. So if you are interested, then you can actually take a screenshot of this and also I'll leave a few links down in the description. भाई चलो अब बहुत बक लिए. लेट्स कीप दिस व्लॉग लाइट और भूख लग चुकी है तो आगे खाने का शॉट एंजॉय करो. one restaurant in Shantiniketan that's gonna serve you the best food, it's undoubtedly this one. Bro, this restaurant is going places. Mark my words. And then the trip ended all of a sudden. What I did take back was way more than what I imagined. Every trip adds a little more value to your life. This was one such trip.